Okay, so now that we've got it digging one block, let's look at how to make it harvest the whole thing. I'm going to start over from the beginning here. So I want it to dig forward. I'm going to make a new program here. So I'm just going to call it tree. So I wanted to dig forward that block 6 times to begin with. So that program that I just wrote is what I'm going to call. I'm going to put down here, and it's called dig1. So now if I want to do that 6 times, I'm going to say repeat 6 times do, and then end. So all that's going to do, if I try this one, is to make it go forward 6 times, digging the whole way, and then it's going to stop down there. So what do I want it to do after that? So after that, I'm going to have it turn left, go forward one, but I'm not going to say go forward. I'm going to say dig forward, and then turn left again. See what that does. Do, 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 do. So now it's ready for the next thing. So now I'm going to do this whole thing again. So I'm going to repeat this. How many times did we say we wanted to do that? We want to do that 6 times. Oh, it's because I put X in there, not a number. And then the question is this going to work? And the answer is most likely no. And I already know why it's not going to work. So it's going to go forward 6 times. It's going to come back. Okay, so I'm adding that variable. And then here, where it turns, I have to think about which way do I want it to turn. And this is what I'm going to add this down there. Okay, so I'm going to say if the variable I just made, t, equals 1, then turn left. Else, turn right, go forward, turn right. End if. Okay, so that end of this. So it's if t equals 1, it's going to left. Is this going to work? It didn't work. Why didn't it work? Well, the reason it didn't work is because t never changes. So if it turns right, it's going to also increment t. So I'm going to move this stuff down. Show you what I mean. So I've got to change t so that next time it comes there. So now I'm going to say down here, t equals anything but 1. I could say 12, I could say 122, doesn't matter. So now I've made t, it's going to turn left. T is going to equal 2. What's it going to do now? Oh, it went the other way. Yay! Oh no, now it's stuck in a circle again. Why is it stuck in a circle again? Now it's going the other way all the time. Oh, because we have to change t again. So after it turns left, we have to say t is back to 1. So now it's going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, all the way down to the end of this. So let's watch it. Okay, so we've effectively had it go from there all the way over to there. Okay, and now we need it to go up and work its way back. So how are we going to do that? So let's make it recall back here to where we started. Yes, I'm sure. So it's going to be down over there. So we need to now make it go up. So I'm going to say repeat. I'm going to say 2. We're just trying to, I'm going to change this number later. Do. So we're going on the outside of this, and at the end of that, we're going to say move up 1. And then we're going to say end. Now, I'm not even going to try to run this program because it looks like it's going to work, but what happens if, what happens if the, there's something above it? And that's why this isn't going to work. I'd rather make a new program right away that says dig up 1 that I'm going to use in place of that. So I'm going to say while move up is not equal true, do dig up end. So if it can move up, it will. If it can't, it won't. Let me go back to the tree. So instead of that move up, I'm going to use a program that I just wrote called dig up. Okay, so in my program now, it's going to do this twice. It's going to go to the end, but I've got a problem. It finished down there, and I want to make sure it turns right first, not left. So before I do that, I'm going to say, doesn't matter what it was, I'm going to say, change my variable here and say, where's my variable? There we go. T equals 2. Because we know when it's equal to 2, it goes right. And I'm saying that because at the end of that, it was over there and I needed to work its way back this way. So I have to start out the right direction. So let's see how this works. So it's going to go down. It's going to work its way back. Is it working its way back here? Let's see. I need to back up and make sure it's, oh, it's eating some leaves over there. That's what it's eating over there. I was wondering what it was eating. Now, if I had to do it again, it would go right again, which means that would be wrong, right? Because I said at the end, when it does that, it's going to go right. Now I need it to go left. So the same way that it alternated before, I need to make it alternate again. So, which way is it going to go right now? Bringing it back down. So then I got to make sure that right now in the program, when it gets done there, when it goes down here, it always, at the end of the, when it goes up, right now it says t equals 2, dig up 1. I could do that in the opposite order. It doesn't really matter, right? It's going to dig up 1, and then it's going to go and be whatever t was last time. Nope, it's going to go the wrong way. I just realized that. In fact, before it gets out of my sight, I gotta get back to controlling this sucker because I am positive it's going the wrong way, isn't it? Yep. Stop. Come back. I'm sure. Okay, so I'm going to play with that incrementing a different variable in order to decide which way it's going to go at the beginning there. And I think we can change that pretty easily. I'm going to stop this right here because this is a good example of how to get started, and I'm not trying to do the whole thing for you, but I'm going to get it working and show you the end product.